Welcome to Rayshen Environmental Private Limited, where innovation, engineering, and reliability come together. At Rayshen, we design and manufacture cleanroom and contamination control solutions for industries that need high safety, hygiene, and precision. From pharmaceuticals to electronics, biotechnology to healthcare, we help create cleaner, safer, and smarter work environments built for performance and long-term reliability.
Hello everyone, my name is Singham Mishra. I am Sales and Operation Manager in Rayshen Environment Private Limited, which is a cleanroom and HVAC solution providing company. We provide all sorts of cleanroom solutions such as fan filter unit, HEPA filter, cleanroom garment cabinet, air shower, static pass box, dynamic pass box, other types of filters such as initial pit filter, bank filter, back type filter, etc. And we hope we can cater you well if you give us the chance. Thank you.
At Rayshen, our strength is our modern manufacturing facility and skilled engineering team. From raw material to final product, every process is carefully controlled and monitored. We follow international quality standards and certifications to ensure safe, reliable, and globally trusted products. Our product range includes fan filter units, HEPA filters, air showers, pass boxes, biosafety cabinets, laminar flow systems, and complete cleanroom solutions. Each unit is built with advanced technology, precision, and strict quality checks. Today, Rayshen proudly serves clients across India and beyond. We support industries shaping the future: pharmaceuticals, electronics, healthcare, and advanced manufacturing. Our growth is powered by trust built through quality, service, and consistency. If your industry needs precision, performance, and reliability, Rayshen is your trusted cleanroom partner. Let's build cleaner, safer, and smarter environments together. Rayshen Environmental Private Limited. Engineering confidence. Powering excellence.